You can't make someone change if they don't want to. No matter how much you beg, cry, explain, or even love them, if they don't care enough to change, they're not going to. And it took me a long time to really accept that. So, I was on my way to pick up my son tonight, and as I was driving, there's a stretch of road where the speed limit jumps from 25 to 55 pretty quick, and yeah, I was probably going a little fast in the 25 mile an hour zone, and then I heard it. Slow down. This woman standing outside her house yelling at me, and I realized I've heard her before, years ago. Same road, same stretch, same yell. She's still there, still yelling at every single person who drives by too fast. Still trying to get people to slow down. Still trying to control something she can't. And man, it hit me hard because I used to be her. Not literally, but emotionally. In my last relationship, I spent years trying to get my ex to slow down. To stop cheating, stop lying, stop disrespecting me. I'd bring it up. I'd explain why it hurt. I'd beg her to care. I thought if I could just say it the right way or prove how much I loved her, she'd finally stop. She didn't. She just kept flying by like nothing I said mattered. And every time she did it again, I'd be standing there like that woman, yelling at a car that was never going to hit the brakes. And I know I'm not the only one. Some of you watching this, you've been yelling too. Not out loud, but in your actions. In your long texts, your pleading conversations, your silent waiting. That hope that maybe this time they'll finally get it. But here's the truth. If they wanted to change, you wouldn't have to ask. I remember one time she promised me she was done talking to this guy. She swore it was just a friend. And not even 48 hours later, I saw messages pop up again. Same guy, same lies, same story. And I still stayed. Why? Because I believed the version of her I wanted to see, not the one she kept showing me. I kept yelling, slow down, but she wasn't listening. She never planned to. And that's the trap we fall into, right? We confuse effort with impact. We think, if I love them harder, they'll treat me better. If I just say the right thing, they'll finally understand. But love doesn't work like that. And people don't change because you beg them to. They change because they decide to. You can scream, slow down, all day long, but if that driver doesn't care, they'll keep speeding. That woman yelling outside her house, she might feel like she's helping, but to everyone else driving by, she's just noise. They don't see her pain. They don't care about her concern. Some probably speed up out of spite. That's how it felt being with someone who didn't care. The more I tried to speak up, the more invisible I felt. And it's exhausting. Giving your energy to someone who sees your hurt and just shrugs. So now, I don't yell at speeding cars. Most times. I don't beg people to love me, respect me, or see me. I pay attention to me, to my own peace, to my own boundaries, my own speed. Because I finally realized it's not my job to change them. It's my job to change what I accept. And if someone's flying through life with no care for the damage they're doing, let them go. Let them keep driving. You don't have to stand in their path anymore, trying to get them to hit the brakes. You get to walk away. You get to choose peace over chaos. You get to love yourself more than you loved trying to fix someone who didn't care. So stop yelling, start healing, and move forward quietly, powerfully, in your own direction. If this hit home for you, drop a comment down below and let me know. What was your moment of clarity? When did you finally realize they were never going to change?